What's up, guys? So these are water dancing speakers. They are an old-fashioned speakers. They rely on headphone jack port. As you can see, if I can maybe try to show you, let me remove this one. See right here, this is headphone jack port. There is no Bluetooth functionality in them. So can I convert these to Bluetooth? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make them Bluetooth compatible so that they can work with devices like this, for example, Samsung Galaxy Ultra, which does not have a headphone jack port, and newer iPhones don't have either. So I want to keep the old speakers. I just want to add some new technology to them. That's what we are going to do today. This is for that we need a Bluetooth receiver. This is a Bluetooth receiver and transmitter, so you can convert your old devices to transmit Bluetooth signal as well, and like your old computer, for example. But for this purpose of this video, we don't need the transmitting functionality. We just need the receiver functionality. But it has both, and they are cheap. They are not that costly. Don't worry about them. Rechargeable. It uses the Bluetooth technology 5.1, so quite latest. Not the latest, I know latest is 5.3 or something, but still good one. And let's see, let's open it up to improve its shininess. See, now it's good. So we have receiving functionality. If you turn on, if you move it to next, now it's transmitter, now it's receiver. This is a plus and minus functionality to handle the volume. And this is the headphone jack port. You can install it on your shirt as well. If you have some old earbuds lying around which are not truly wireless, you can make them wireless, true wireless earbuds as well, and without spending too much money. So let's see, we have it charges by a type C, which is right here. Type C is always welcome. It comes with a cable, type A to type C cable as well. Hopefully it will have some battery left, and this is for headphone jack. You can plug in your cable as well, but for example, I don't want to use a cable for this one, so I'm just going to plug it this way. Let's see. Okay, this is a button. This part is a button. If you press it, it should turn itself on. Probably have to charge it. All right, I have charged it for a bit. Fortunately, it supports quick charge, so that's good. Now let's try to pair it with my phone. Let's turn on the Bluetooth. They said it was something like 28 at the end. Let's see. B28. This is the device. It is flashing. It will stop flashing once we pair it. Pairing complete. We have paired it at about 40% for almost like less than 10 minutes. That's good of a charge, and it's ready. Let's try inserting it into the speaker directly. All right, should be good to go. Let's play some music. Lost in the Sky, and you can see it's playing right into the speaker.
Empty hearts and neon lights, the playing we're behind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna fly and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back.
see that this is my Galaxy Samsung Ultra, and it is not connected to the speakers in any way, and yet it is working with Bluetooth to the speakers. Isn't it cool? You make your old speakers new again. I hope that this proved useful for some of people around the world. Those who have old speakers or earbuds that are not wireless, they can make them true wireless speakers or earbuds by using this simple Bluetooth transmitter and a receiver. Let me know what you think of it. Take care. Bye.